Hello everyone, this is Ari Zadigan from prehomes.ca.
This is Jonathan from prehomes.ca, and we're here with
Massa, representing Marlin Spring for House of Assembly.
Thank you for being here with us. So tell me everything we need to know about House of Assembly.
Yeah, so we are launching the first phase of a three-phase project. This is the first building here. The other two buildings will be right beside us. So first phase, second phase, and the third phase will be at the end here. Our first phase is 17 stories, 254 units. So it is a smaller low-rise building, and we're hoping to have occupancy by January of 2024. So we will have, for our amenities, a gym on the third floor. On the sixth floor, we'll have a party room and the rooftop terrace with barbecues and a pet wash area. This is the first launch within a 1 kilometer radius of where we are. So you're really getting in the very beginning stages of the development. These glass buildings you see here are going to be about 500,000 square feet of commercial space, mostly office space, bringing a lot of young professionals to this area. And the 500,000 square feet of commercial space will be divided between the 3 glass buildings here. The first building is actually going into construction May of this year, so in about a month from now, which is very exciting for people who are purchasing with this building. So once we move in, the first phase of the commercial will be under construction as well.
Wonderful. What are the combinations of units in terms of studios all the way to larger units?
So we do start from 1 bedrooms, and we have all the way to 3 bedrooms available. We also have a couple of work, live spaces available as well.
Wonderful. Now, talk to me about the transportation. How convenient is this location as far as the transportation is concerned?
So we are 100 out of 100 transit score. The only other place that you're getting this type of transit is the Union Station. We're just minutes away from the UP Express, which takes you 15 minutes to the airport, 8 minutes to the Union Station, and it does come every half hour. We're also very close to the Lansdowne subway station, as well as the Dundas Street West subway station.
Wonderful. Now, Marlin Spring, tell me a little bit about the developer, the builder. That's the very first question that many people ask.
Yeah, so the developer Marlin Spring, they were listed as the fastest growing company in Canada last year, so they're doing very well. Some of the projects that I've worked on personally in the last few years would be Canvas Condos and West Beach Condos, which closed last year. We're also under construction for Stockyards Residences, which is about 10 minutes drive away from here, and Taylor Condos, which started construction late last year. They do have their in-house team that they always work with. So you're working with a very solid construction team as well as a very solid developer.
Wonderful. Now, how does it work in terms of if someone would want to know in terms of the exposure of the building, what is surrounding us besides transportation?
So when you're facing north, you do have mostly clear view. We're actually in the north-facing building right now, so we're about 2 stories high or maybe 3. Facing south, you will be facing towards this commercial office space. So as long as you're on the 11th floor or higher, you will clear this building. Facing east, you get beautiful clear views of the CN Tower, so beautiful skyline views of the city. And then facing west, you're facing our second phase. Our second phase will most likely be around 10 stories. So as long as you're above the 11th floor, you should be pretty safe as well. But you are across the street from the second phase. So either way, you're not facing right into another building.
Wonderful.
Now on the east side, there's a building on the east side too, or no?
No, it's all clear views on the east side.
Now, what does the area have to offer for families, for professionals, in terms of the lifestyle?
So a lot of people who live in the Junction currently, they absolutely love it. They're very passionate about this area. With the commercial office buildings coming up, we are thinking that it will attract a lot of young professionals as well. But as you can see, it has a lot of culture in this area. There's coffee shop, there's the Nestle shop as well. So there is a lot of beautiful restaurants, especially on Ossington, which is very close to us. So it is an area with a lot of culture and a lot of personality.
Yes, and you're not that far away from Hyde Park either.
Yeah, Hyde Park I actually love Hyde Park myself. I go there during the summer. It's beautiful there.
There are a lot of projects in the market, and if you had to pick 3 reasons why buy here, what would it be?
So the first one would definitely be the transit score. We are perfect 100 transit score, which is huge. Anywhere else where you're looking at this type of transit, you're looking at about $1,500 per square foot average price. So we're priced very affordable still compared to other places where you have this type of transit. The second reason would be the fact that we are multi-phased. When you purchase on the first phase of a project, you see a lot more growth. When the second phase and the third phase come in, never mind all of the extra development that is happening. So within a half-kilometer radius of where we are, we're looking at about 9,000 residential units coming to the area in the next few years. So we really are the first launch that's in this area right now. And the third reason would be the developer. Marlin Spring has a great track record. We deal with their high-rise. They have a lot of townhouses, houses, even outside of Toronto that they're building. So if you check out their website, you'll see all of the beautiful product that they've delivered.
And I think one thing that I would add on for investor clients that they are looking to secure in here, having the commercial element added to the whole master community plan will bring security in terms of the rental vacancy to keep it as low as possible.
Yeah, and once we do have more sales coming to this area, people will see the development that's happening. They will see the office space that's already under construction. They will see us, we're ready to start construction September of this year. So once they see this development actually happening, the prices are just going to skyrocket.
If you're interested in this beautiful project at House of Assembly, feel free to visit our website at prehomes.ca or contact us at 1833 Zadigan, and one of us will be happy to help you out. Thank you.